And that's it. So $200 a pound.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Welcome back to another video.
Blessings. I don't know. Over Curry ride for.
Well, I was gonna say, do you guess where we are? So let me flip and show you. He's just giving it away, but I was gonna say, do you know where we are? Do you recognize this place? You just said everybody, Curry, downtown Curry. Guys, you know this place here? Coronation Market. That's where we are today. Alright. So we're gonna come pick up a few bits and pieces. Yeah, we're in Kingston today, so we're just gonna pick up a few little bits. Yeah.
One now. One start to carry. One.
Pepper look nice and fresh, isn't it? That pepper, sweet pepper, carrot. Yes, red cabbage. You hear him? Guys, you hear him? He's asking me if I've ever had red cabbage before. Can you imagine? He's asking me if I've had red cabbage before. Well, yes guys, pepper and pumpkin. Look at tomato. Big tomatoes as well, you don't really see them big like this. Big tomato. How much? So they get, how much is this? No, how much is it? Because well, how much? $70 a pound. Alright guys, $70 a pound for this. Not bad, right? $70 a pound. Did you get this spot on?
I got £1.
£1. Plantain. Look at Aki. Guys, look at Aki. Look at Aki. Beans, peas, grains, gungo peas, every type of red peas. So Allah's buying onion. How much a pound for onion? Yeah, $2.20 a pound. What do you buy, red ones or mix? And them little pines. Yeah?
Sometimes, you have to get down.
Yep. Don't need the scaling, but the time.
Oh, yeah, that's all it for.
The People look at time.
Time.
This is my favorite. Time.
No one goes that time.
Look at time. And then big scallion. Big scallion. What? Do you see all that time, people? $100. Some nice sweet pepper over there. Really good, bro. Oh. And that's sweet pepper. So $200 a pound.
Yeah. Take one, man.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect cabbage.
Huh?
100% perfect cabbage.
Purple cabbage. Shame. The scale's there. You can put it on the scale and you can weigh it. Here you just do everything yourself. You do it all yourself. Let me see. 1 pound. Just under. How much for the Irish? That's how much for the Irish. Look nice. Look pretty. Look at them Irish. Irish look pretty, innit? Yes, guys, I tell you something. When I was younger, I used to come here all the time, but I haven't been to Coronation Market in years. Since I was a child, I haven't come here. So it's nice to come back and, yeah. I mean, it might sound a bit bad we come from country, come to town, right? But we were in town anyway. We're in Kingston anyway. And we need a few bits, so we said, let's pass through and, you know, make something out of it. But left country to come to town to buy? Well, I don't know about that. Huh? Yeah, do it. $100 for Irish. Well, three pound. People, $100 for Irish. You see when you see them price, you go for them. Sometimes you want to buy Irish, still $250, $300 a pound for Irish. $100 a pound for Irish. $100. Yeah.
I'm a friend. Yeah.
I just said to Alice to get £3 of Irish. $100 a pound? What? Like I said, sometimes you see Irish $2.50 a pound. Yeah. So when you see it for $100, you don't leave it behind. So wait. Alright, £4. So we work with it still. Yeah. Alright, yes people, I think we're good now. We don't. You cooking soup?
Chocolate. You have to put chocolate in a soup alone. You know what I'm doing this, man?
Sure.
That's a god blind rat. How much is chocolate?
$100 for 4.
You can't afford.
This guy's he's having the time of his life in here. Because yeah, certain things are really cheap. The cabbage was quite expensive, but everything else is cheap.
No, take 3 and now you going.
Chocho, we haven't seen it for a long time. $400 a pound. I mean, no, 4 for $100. You can't leave it. Like the potato, $100 a pound. People, you don't see that, Regan. You don't see that often. You don't see that. Yeah. Well, them pepper big, innit?
Pepper big and strong, you know.
Big. I wonder if the taste strong if they got the heat in it though. on Sunday. Yeah. They're nice, but come, we got Coronation Market. Yeah, I said we left country, come to town. For food. Yeah.
Yes, man.
This guys, sir.
In and out of curry.
In and out. Quick in and quick out again.
Yeah.
1,
2, 3. Quick.
So you got Tivoli Gardens over there.
Yeah.
Across the way. Alright guys, so here we are. So we bought £1 of tomato, which was $70.
Yeah.
$70, you know. My gosh. I haven't seen it for a long time. Not even the country. Yeah. But
Yeah,
$70 is cheap.
Yeah.
What else did we get?
$100 worth of time, you know.
Yeah, $100 worth of time. I love this stuff. Time is one of my favorites. Yeah.
£4.5 Irish.
£4.5
Irish.
$100.
$400.
Yeah, $400 for that.
Nice, beautiful. Yeah. 4 chocho.
4 of these
$1.
for 100. 4 chocho for $100.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4 of
Sweet
these.
pepper. And 2 base. And pound.
Sweet pepper.
Nice fresh sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper. How much is this? How much is this?
$200.
$200 a pound.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Like
what
that,
else you got?
That's onion, you know.
Onion.
2 base for this.
$200 for a pound of onion.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so we don't buy too much at one time because
No,
it was just spoiled.
You don't want it to spoil.
What else we got?
So, we good on that side, man.
And some hot pepper.
Hot pepper, yes, see that?
Oh yes. And half a pound of hot pepper for 125?
125, yeah.
Yeah. Half a pound of hot pepper for $125.
Yeah.
Yes guys. Tomatoes, potatoes. Time. So how much did you spend altogether, roughly?
I think about $1,500.
No, $1,500. Guys, $1,500.
About $300 a piece of watch it.
You true. Can you imagine? And that's in country, people. $1,500 we spent for this. And if we were in country in Ochi, it would be about double this.
Yeah, man, about $3, $5 for this now.
Can you imagine?
All of this I watch it.
Oh my gosh, left country, come to town.
Wow. If you have something to do at town, let's do it.
Yeah, well, because we were here, we just stopped by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have something to do at town, just stop and get whatever you get.
Yeah.
That's better off.
Yeah.
One time better off. You can't lose that for that.
True.
But that's how we think set up. I come at town. Go across a curry, man. And everything cook and curry around it. Yeah, downtown parade, you know. Alright, man. Never drop it. There's some people that try to swap it. So you see it across the freeway, so.
Where?
For the elephants.
Okay.
Just look onto the service, pot and mud.
Is
and
it here today?
and all these things.
Is it still in operation?
Yeah, man, they're still doing a good thing over there. It's not a big nothing still. I think they're doing real shell and something.
Okay, look like they need to fix it up, refurbish.
Yeah, man. And it shouldn't be like that, you know.
Mm.
It should have been better than that. Because too weird. That come from in our culture.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, for yourself.
That should have been maintained, really.
Should be real maintained.
Yeah.
Big part of the culture that theater there.
Mm.
You know what I mean, man? I mean, what them want to I wouldn't want to do so far. Last, yeah. You see all the things I do. Yeah, man, we place. We're having that here.
So it's a short, sweet vlog, right? So Coronation Market, for those of you who've not been for a long time, or for those of you who've never been, never seen it,
yeah,
that's Coronation Market for
yeah,
you. So
a few things.
Exactly, guys.
Yeah.
Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Manners and prayers, man. As you know, we think go. So I run there with the swing go. So we do up on the track. Finish with that. Manners and prayers. Long life the king.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.